In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Microsoft Teams recording. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to pass a meeting recording along from within Teams, so your colleagues can watch without hunting for links. Start by opening Microsoft Teams in your web browser or the desktop app. Once Teams loads, look out to just the left-hand side of the screen. That vertical bar is your main navigation, and the option we need is Chat. Click Chat to open your recent conversations. Recordings created in a meeting typically show up in the chat for that meeting, so that's where we'll grab the item you want to share. Next, select the conversation that contains the recording. This could be the meeting chat named after your meeting title, or a one-on-one or group chat where the recording was posted. If you have a lot of conversations, scroll or use the search bar to find it faster by typing part of the meeting name. Inside the chat, locate the specific message that holds the recording. It usually appears as a card with the file name, a thumbnail, and playback controls. Hover over that message and you'll see more options appear. Click the three dots, sometimes called More Actions. This opens a small menu with tools specific to that message. Choose Forward from the menu. Teams will open a forwarding panel where you can add a short note. This is your chance to give context, like why you're sharing the recording or what timestamps people should watch. Keep it concise but helpful, so recipients know what to expect. Now pick who should receive it. Start typing the name of a person, a group chat, or a team chat, and select the correct one